All right, grade 8. It's been a while since I posted a video, but here we go. We're continuing along here in chapter 7, lesson 7.2, and this is technically going to be 7.2a. We're going to divide lesson 7.2 into two lessons, and we have two parts that we're going to look at today. The first one says write a function rule for the statement. So basically when we talk about functions, we're talking about things in slope-intercept form. We're going to be thinking about things in slope-intercept form for the most part. Not everything, but more importantly than slope-intercept form, it's a y equals something. Y is what we consider the output, okay? Y is what we get when we do something to x, which is going to be considered the input. So we're going to talk about output y, input x. When we do something to x, y is what we get. So it says write a function rule for the statement y equals. Well, the output is 3 times the input. Well, the output is y. So we know everything needs to be y equals. Now it says 3 times the input. The input is x. Well, 3 times the input, or 3 times x, is 3x. And so our function rule is y equals 3x. Not hard. Let's look at one more. The output is 8 more than 1/7 of the input. The output is 8 more than 1/7 of the input. Now, it's very important that we do exactly what it says. Now, it's always y equals. The output is. When it says 8 more, that means 8 more means somewhere in my function or in my equation, however you want to think about it, it needs to say plus 8. That's 8 more. We're going to add 8 to it. And it says then 1/7 of the input. Now, to get 1/7 of the input, that's taking the input and multiplying it by 1/7. So it's 1/7x plus 8. Now, technically, I would also accept, because when we multiply something by 1/7, it's the same as dividing it by 7. The idea, if we're multiplying something by 1/7, you know, with the rule of reciprocals and dividing fractions, it's the same as dividing it by 7/1. So we could also say, instead of multiplying x by 1/7, that we're dividing x by 7. X over 7 plus 8. All right, so that's kind of what we do, and we move on from there. All right, so let's go to the second part. Find the given value of y for the given value of x. Find the given value of y for the given value of x. So y equals 6x, x equals -5. That means all I'm doing is 6 times -5, because 6x is a multiplication problem. If x equals -5, then I'm doing 6 times -5, which means that y equals -30. All right? Y equals 2x plus 5, x equals 3. Well, 2x is 2 times x, and x equals 3, so it's 2 times 3. Well, 2 times 3 is 6. That means y equals 6 plus 5. Well, 6 plus 5, y equals 11. Chances are a lot of these you're going to be able to do mental math. All right, last one. Y equals 7 minus 3x, x equals 5. Well, y is going to equal 7 minus 3x. Well, 3x is 3 times x. X equals 5, so I'm doing 3 times 5. Well, 3 times 5 is 15. So y equals 7 minus 15, which means that y equals -8, because I know that 15 minus 7 is 8, so 7 minus 15 has to equal -8. All right. We'll talk to you later, 8th grade. This is lesson 7.2a. Bye.